Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, still feel fairly confident that the snowfall accumulations tomorrow are going to fall somewhere in the as little as 1 to as much as 3 inches category. That'll be realized by later tomorrow afternoon. Here's how it all breaks down. First of all, we're okay in the sense that we don't see any ice or snow moving in. In fact, the precipitation that we're expecting for tomorrow is actually back across the lower Mississippi River Valley. I mean, it's still far away from southern New England, but that is round 2 of moisture that's headed our way, and it will be in the form of all snow, unlike what we had this morning, which was really a mixed bag of everything: snow, sleet, freezing rain, and rain. Air should be cold enough this time around for an all snow situation, but the amount should not be excessive, meaning 10 inches or real heavy stuff. So it's a quick hitter, but I mean, the snow comes down at a decent intensity over this 7-hour period, so that we will get accumulations, and we're thinking on the order of 1 to 3 inches by later tomorrow afternoon. Once the system is out of here, boy, it really turns cold for the middle and the end of the week. I'll show you that in the 7-day Futurecast. The weather pattern remains active, maybe dealing with another storm situation for a portion of the upcoming weekend. Most locations are still above freezing, but look at Smithfield 34, Gloucester 33. I do expect northern suburbs to get down to near or just below freezing. Some of the pavement is still wet. I mean, the major roads are fine, but some of the less traveled rural roads, side streets, sidewalks, maybe your driveway, your front stairs, maybe a little patchy black ice early in the morning, overnight early in the morning. So do be aware of that. Temperature here in Providence above freezing at 36 on a west breeze at 8, humidity at 92%. So mainly cloudy, a little bit of fog out there, not much in the way of precipitation. But that'll all change by mid-morning. Let me show you the timing on this. Real simple. Get in close, watch the clock, find the location you're interested in, and let's roll it and go. Okay. Now, the blue is snow, and the green is rain. This is an all-snow situation. Notice by 10 o'clock in the morning, the leading edge of the snow is starting to work in. So the very early part of the morning commute, 6, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning, it's actually dry. Most kids are heading out to school at that time. By 10 o'clock in the morning, the first flakes of snow are working in. Becomes widespread, a little heavier by noontime. This is 12 noon. Advance the map now to around, say, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And you can see still some widespread snow. It all starts to shift offshore and away from us by around 5 or 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. And then clear skies and colder weather, dry weather tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. Again, how much on the order statewide of 1 to as much as 3, and this will be realized by around 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So schools in the morning, 31 with snow, but it doesn't start until after 9 a.m. and during the afternoon. Certainly when the kids are coming home from school, it'll still be snowing. There'll be snow on the ground. So if you're traveling those neighborhood streets, just be aware that things may get a little slippery. Now for the morning commute tomorrow, we're giving it the yellow caution light, not for the early part of the commute, but for the latter part of the commute. Temperature at 31, and then during the afternoon, snow continues through about 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperature colder than today, coming in at 34. 7-day Futurecast shows drier weather back here on Wednesday, but colder, sharply colder. Thursday, Friday. Look at the high temps, only in the 20s. May bring messy weather back in here for the weekend for a portion of Saturday and Sunday, with snow, ice, and rain, and temperatures in the 30s. It's not a huge amount of snow, but 1 to 3 is enough to cause some travel headaches, especially on untreated surfaces. So take it slow.
Absolutely. All right. Thanks, Tony. Coming up next.